Hey everyone, with the release of the ROG Swift OLED PG27UCDM, the first 27-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor in history, ASUS Republic of Gamers has raised the standard for gaming monitors once more. The best of ASUS ROG's 4th generation QD-OLED technology is on display in this state-of-the-art display, which is currently available for pre-order for $1,099 and offers sharp images, amazing contrast, and sophisticated features designed for both gamers and content producers. PG27UCDM produces incredibly clean and colorful images with a pixel density of 166 ppi, making it ideal for demonstrating the full potential 4K resolution. Every detail in both light and dark environments pops thanks to its OLED panel's infinite contrast, which is improved by quantum dot technology. Monitor's 240 Hz refresh rate and remarkably low 0.03 millisecond reaction time guarantee, lag-free gameplay with razor-sharp motion clarity for gamers looking for incredibly smooth performance. The monitor's extensive connectivity possibilities are another impressive feature. In addition to HDMI 2.1 for next-generation console gaming and a 4-lane DisplayPort, 2.1 a USB R20 with 80 gigabit per second bandwidth, it has USB-C with 90-watt power delivery. With these settings, it supports high-fidelity images and works with a variety of devices. The PG27UCDM's on-screen display menu provides easy access to Dolby Vision, HDR10, and VESA display HDR400 True Black, all of which enhance its immersive capabilities. ASUS has gone above and beyond to put screen lifespan and user comfort first. ROG OLED Anti-Flicker 2.0 technology ensures a more comfortable viewing experience during prolonged gaming or work sessions by reducing flicker by 20% via a luminance compensation algorithm. Additionally, gamers can benefit from refresh rate cap function, which lets users establish personalized refresh rate cap. 3 preset options are provided for easy modifications. With its ROG OLED Care Pro package, ASUS has addressed the critical issues of screen care and durability for OLED panels. One notable feature is Neo Proximity Sensor, which detects when the user moves away from the display to reduce the chance of burn-in. Upon the user's return, screen automatically transitions to dark display if no one is in front of it. For further peace of mind, customers can benefit from taskbar detection, pixel cleaning, a built-in screensaver, and 3-year warranty. PG27UCDM's main features are also its convenience and customization options. Users may quickly access OLED Care tools and adjust monitor settings to suit their tastes with ROG Display Widget Center. Whether you're optimizing for a particular game or making sure display stays at its best, this software makes controlling monitors' characteristics simple. More than just gaming monitor, ROG Swift OLED PG27UCDM is revolutionary display that aims to revolutionize both visual performance and usability. For professionals and gamers looking for the best display technology, it's a must-have because of its unparalleled 4K clarity, blazingly quick response times, and well-considered design features like screen protection and improved comfort. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and God bless you.